Tired of squinting at tiny diagrams or constantly zooming in and out? Set your perfect canvas zoom in Draw.io with one shortcut. Seriously, it takes about 10 seconds once you know the trick, and it makes working in Confluence or Jira so much more comfortable. So here is the plan. I will show you the exact steps. Open your diagram, press Ctrl and 0, type your desired percentage, and click Apply. It is that simple. Let me walk you through it. Start by logging into your Jira account. This is the same place you manage your projects and tickets and where your Draw.io diagrams live. Just go ahead and sign in like you normally would. We are just getting to the starting line here. Now, navigate to your diagram and open it. You probably have a specific issue or page where you embedded the diagram. Click on it to open it up inside the Draw.io editor. This is where the magic happens. You will see your canvas with all your shapes and connections. Now, here is the key moment. Press the Control key and the 0 key on your keyboard at the same time. On a Mac, that is the Command key and 0. What this does is bring up a very small, specific dialog box. It is the zoom control. You might not have even noticed it was there before. This shortcut is the direct path to exactly what you need. In my experience, most people either use the menu or the slider, but this keyboard shortcut is the fastest way to get a precise number in there. It will probably show the current zoom level, which is usually 100%. You can now type in your preferred zoom level. And here is the thing. Do not just guess. Think about what works for your screen. If you are on a large monitor, maybe 80% gives you a good overview. If you're on a laptop, 120% might be perfect for reading text without leaning in. I have tested this on different screens, and I find that 110% is a sweet spot for most people, but you should use what feels right for your eyes. Type the number directly. No need to add the percent sign. Finally, click the Apply button to save that new setting. You are not just previewing it, you are actually committing the change. Once you click Apply, the canvas will instantly snap to your new zoom level. It is immediate. No page refresh needed, no other menus to close. Your canvas now displays at the new zoom level. Take a second to look at it. Pan around, check your shapes, see if the text is readable. Does it feel good? If it does, you are all set. Every time you open that diagram from now on, it will remember this zoom level. That is what makes this so powerful. Now, if you prefer a visual approach instead of the keyboard shortcut, you can also use the zoom slider in the toolbar. It is usually located in the bottom right corner of the Draw.io editor. You can just click and drag it left or right to zoom in and out. It is not as precise as typing a percentage, but it is great for quickly adjusting on the fly. I often use the slider to get close, and then the keyboard shortcut to dial it in perfectly. To reset everything back to the default 100% zoom, just press Ctrl and 0 again. The dialog will pop up, and you can type in 100. Click Apply, and you are back to square one. That is useful if you share your screen and want to be sure everyone sees the diagram at the same size. And that is really all there is to it. A simple, repeatable workflow that makes a huge difference in how you interact with your diagrams. No more squinting, no more constant scrolling, just a clean, comfortable view every single time. Thanks for watching.